Hi everyone, this is Harshvardhan and you're watching on the Web Guy YouTube channel, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to render comments on our template. So let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So here I am on my Visual Studio Code. I'll just run the server. I'll say python manage.py run server, and now I'll just copy this link and open it in my browser. Go to /list, open the detail page and see, after this anchor tag write a comment. We want to add all of our comments, that means whatever comment is written for this post. Okay, so just open your views.py file. Inside views.py file, go to post detail view and write comments equals to from comment model dot objects dot filter. So at first we have to import this comment, so I will say from dot models import comment. Great. Now you may ask that why we are using this filter instead of get. See, this get method returns only one object, whereas this filter returns a query dictionary. See, we have one post and one post have many comments, so we want to retrieve all those comments, and all those comments can be retrieved in form of a query dictionary. That's why we are using filter. Okay, so we will filter according to post. So we'll say post equal to post. Why I have used this parameter post? Because if you go to models.py file and see, here we have post attribute, so we can use that to filter the comment that have that particular post. That means the post on which we are. That means let's say we have provided pk is 1, so we retrieve that post and we are filtering comment for that post only. Great. Okay, save this and I will just say right here in the context all comments is comments. Okay, save this and now open your template detail.html. Inside this, just below this anchor tag, write inside the variable all comments. Save. It should be all comments. Okay, and refresh. Great, but this isn't what we want, right? We want to retrieve all the comments in a line by line format. That means first this comment should be shown, then this comment, not a query dictionary. For this, what we will do, I just want to rename this variable to comments. It will just make us easy to write, bit lazy. Okay, no problem. So now we are going to use for loop inside Django template, and for this you will say inside tag say for comment in comments. Okay, and after that, that means you will write comment, and to end the for loop you will say end for. Okay, save this, get back here and refresh. But we have no comments. Why? Because I have misspelled that. It's comments. Save this again, get back to browser, refresh, and now you can see we have all the comments, but they are in the same line. So now we have two options. We can either use br tag for this and just refresh. See, now we have two different lines, but we can also use another thing. I just want to add a br tag here also. So if we refresh, now it's good. But if you want to use Django way of line breaks, then you can add a filter. So if you want to add a filter, you will just provide a pipe symbol and then say line breaks. save this and get back here, refresh. Now I can see that our comment are being displayed on this post. But see, it's written comment, I again misspelled from the user, the name provided and the title name. See, we know what is the title and we don't want to write like this. For this, what we can do, we can just go to views.py file. Actually, we have to go to models.py file, and right here you can see we have defined string method. So here you can see, you can say comment from this, or then we will say self.body. Okay, save this and refresh. What happened? Okay, now you can see we have comment from new Pappu Bhaiya. What is the body? Very good post. Comment from new name, it's very good post. Okay, great. Now what if we want to manipulate right here inside the template? Then what we should do? See, we have the object comment, so whatever attribute we have defined, we can use any of them. So let's say we want to say comment dot mail or email, whatever we have defined, it's email, comment dot email. Save this, get back here, refresh, and now you can see that we have the email. So it's not required that you just change the string method provided in the comment model. You can do whatever you want inside the template directly. You can use everything provided right here. We can also check whether it's active or not. So I'll just say comment dot active, refresh. It's true because both of those comments are active, so it's true. And we can also say created, so we can say created time comment dot created. Save and get back here, refresh. See, we also have the time when we have created. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. See you in the next one. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section, or you can ask me on harshvardhan.ai on Instagram. Thank you.